రీసెంట్ గా హైదరాబాద్ మాదాపూర్ సత్వా బిల్డింగ్ లో జరిగిన ఫైర్ యాక్సిడెంట్ విజువల్స్ ఇవి. ఈ మధ్యన హైదరాబాద్ లో ఇలాంటి ఫైర్ యాక్సిడెంట్స్ చాలా అవుతున్నాయి. సో ఇలా ఫైర్ యాక్సిడెంట్స్ ఆఫీస్ లో జరిగితే ఏం చేయాలి, ఎలా చేయాలి అనే చిన్న అవేర్నెస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ మా ఆఫీస్ వాళ్ళు కండక్ట్ చేశారు.
Do what you are supposed to do when you hear an alarm. Now, when you hear an alarm, do not ask your colleague whether he is coming or not. This is not a movie to decide. You need to come as quickly as possible using your emergency exits. Now, emergency exit during an emergency, your lifts will not operate. Every day, use the lift to go up. You use the lift to come down. But during an emergency, all your lifts are grounded. You need to know where are your emergency exits inside your building. You are having an emergency exit other than your normal exit. Use the emergency exit and reach to the safe assembly point. Dear friends, please remember no cost cutting in firefighting. You need to open the wall fully.
The fire safety officer explained how to escape safely and protect ourselves during a fire at the workplace. Special thanks to the management to conducting this awareness program. That's it for today's video. For more videos, please subscribe. Nani.